Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, we're diving into the world of tranquility and serenity about creating a Zen outdoor living space. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Zen outdoor living space is a personal oasis where you can unwind, recharge, and connect with nature. A Zen outdoor living space is more than just a pretty backyard. It's a carefully curated environment that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and simply be. Here are some of the benefits of a Zen outdoor living space. First, stress reduction. Spending time in nature has proven to lower stress levels and anxiety. Second, improved mental health. A serene outdoor space can boost your mood and enhance your overall mental well-being. Third, increased creativity. Surrounding yourself with natural beauty can spark creativity and inspire new ideas. Fourth, better sleep. Relaxing in a peaceful outdoor setting can improve your sleep quality. Now that we've explored the benefits of a Zen outdoor living space, let's dive into the design process. Creating a serene outdoor retreat requires careful planning and attention to detail. We'll discuss key design principles and practical tips to help you transform your outdoor area into a peaceful haven. Here are some essential design tips. First, minimalist design. Keep your space clutter-free and focus on clean lines and simple forms. Second, natural elements. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and water features to connect with nature. Third, calming colors. Opt for soothing colors like soft blues, greens, and whites to create a peaceful atmosphere. Fourth, strategic planting. Choose plants with calming properties, like lavender or jasmine, and arrange them strategically. Fifth, water features. The gentle sound of flowing water is incredibly relaxing. Consider adding a small pond or fountain. Sixth, comfortable seating. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture that invites relaxation. Seventh, soft lighting. Use soft, warm lighting, such as lanterns or string lights, to create a cozy ambience. Eighth, mindful decor. Incorporate elements like wind chimes, sculptures, or meditation cushions to enhance the Zen vibe. Ninth, privacy. Create a sense of privacy with screens, fences, or strategically placed plants. 10th, personal touch. Add personal touches that reflect your unique style and preferences. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 inspiring ideas to transform your outdoor space into a serene Zen haven. 1. Minimalist Zen garden. A simple design with raked gravel, rocks, and a few carefully placed plants. 2. Japanese-inspired garden. Incorporate traditional Japanese garden elements like koi ponds, stone lanterns, and bonsai trees. 3. Tropical oasis. Create a lush, tropical retreat with exotic plants, water features, and vibrant colors. 4. Modern minimalist. A sleek and contemporary design with clean lines, geometric shapes, and minimalist furniture. 5. Rustic retreat. A cozy, rustic space with natural materials like wood and stone, and comfortable seating areas. 6. Urban Zen. A small, urban oasis with vertical gardens, potted plants, and minimalist decor. 7. Rooftop retreat. Transform your rooftop into a serene sanctuary with comfortable seating, potted plants, and stunning city views. 8. Poolside paradise. Create a tranquil poolside oasis with comfortable loungers, umbrellas, and lush landscaping. 9. Fire pit haven. Gather around a cozy fire pit with friends and family for warm evenings and storytelling. 10. Meditation garden. A dedicated space for meditation and mindfulness, featuring a quiet seating area and calming plants. By following these tips and drawing inspiration from these ideas, you can create a Zen outdoor living space that will provide you with endless relaxation and rejuvenation. Remember, the key to a successful Zen space is to create a place that resonates with your personal style and brings you peace. Want to learn more about creating a serene outdoor space? Subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiring design tips and ideas. Remember to share your Zen outdoor space with us on social media using the hashtag Homes Decor and Designs. Let's transform your outdoor space into a tranquil haven. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.